Hello friends, it's Jessie again. Today is my first episode of 5G. In this video, I would like to talk about 5G diagram because it's the fundamental knowledge for this new technology. Also, engineer love diagram. Before we dive in, let me ask a simple question. What is 5G? I think 5G is everything. I will explain why. So, this is 5G diagram that I drew today. In 2G era, we only have voice and SMS, which is pretty simple. In 3G era, the carriers could provide very limited speed. When coming into 4G era, the carriers extend their capacity of throughput and speed, also using Photon to address voice, which is what we have right now. However, in 5G era, the carriers have to address two different dimensions. Those are connection density and low latency. So this diagram is 5G. What it looks like? A pipe. And it's not a dumb pipe, it's a smart one. What smart means? 4G is centralized architecture. It's either RAN or core. But in 5G era, the carriers need to drive intelligence and functionality to the edge of the network, the pipe. With distributed architecture, they can have edge computing in the multi-access network, i.e., converged edge core, which are closer to the end user. It will bridge very different requirements and deliver agile service to improve customer experience. For example, in this pipe, self-driving car and remote surgery will be here. Facial recognition will be here. Smart city will be here. Smart home will be here. And VR/AR will be here. From end-user perspective, network is just a service, no matter if it's 4G or 5G. Carriers are service provider. It's all about providing the best customer experience. Also, I think the interesting part in 5G is how MSOs could leverage the existing dumb pipe and make it smart, which means how they could transfer from a system operator to a data-oriented company. Because at the end of the day, every company will be a data company. Amazon, Google, Netflix, Facebook. And MSOs, they have the natural comparative advantage. The new oil is flowing in their park. Some of you may heard about Mobile World Congress. It's the biggest event in mobile world. To be honest, I think every ICT company should fly to Barcelona and talk to each other. This is an encouragement from a futurist. Why? Basing on my limited knowledge, there are four major challenges before embracing 5G world. First, big data analytics. Second, cybersecurity. Third, developing different components and applications for different scenarios. Fourth, cloud ecosystem means how to bridge the private cloud with public cloud and minimize the latency between different locations. You see, 5G era is not just transmit 5G radio through 5G cell phone. It's about providing 5G service in all aspects. So, data company, secure company, cloud company, mobile, fiber, DOSes, software, hardware. We need to work together and make it happen. A better world with 5G connection.